Looking to import high-quality natural ingredients from India? Welcome to Naturesactiv Global, your trusted partner in herbal and herbamineral sourcing and manufacturing. We do three things: manufacturing of natural health ingredients, sourcing of herbal raw materials, formulation of herbo-mineral complexes. We do not deal in chemicals, synthetic medicines, or anything not from a natural origin. Though a startup, we're backed by industry veterans with over 100 years of combined experience in sourcing and herbal sciences. We're registered with the Government of India, DUN certified, and US FDA compliant. Every batch comes with a COA. Our five-step sourcing process ensures product purity, safety, and on-time delivery to your location. Every single time. Partner with Naturesactiv Global and bring India's best natural ingredients to your market.